Okay, so this is our next little test rig we're building up here. Need to cut about 80 of these. We're going to put in there like so. A row down this side and a row down that side. This is for our next and probably most important test. The last one we did, that passed with flying colours. If this test coming up passes with flying colours, we're well on our way to perhaps making something they say can't be made. But cutting 80 of them by hand is not much fun, so I'm taking a trip up to our capital city on the weekend, this coming Saturday, to buy some equipment to get this project up into its final stages, which will be some time away. We've still got a lot of prototyping to do yet. So you can hear the printer running, but it's not that printer. I think after 8 years, Old Reliable is going to get shelved because we picked up our first piece of new equipment yesterday. And this thing is fast. The fan's very loud, but it is fast. So I'm just doing a test run on some gears, and they are looking quite nice at the moment. So with the A8, it would have been a 5.5 hour print for these two gears. With this machine it is 1 hour 13 minutes in total, and we're at 68% so far. So this is the Creality K1 Max, a bigger printer, so we can make bigger parts. Also enclosed, so I can print ABS, and this also does carbon fibre, so we may be able to make the bodies with the printer rather than milling aluminium. We'll have to see how we go. This one here has got a camera as well. But unfortunately we're in my workshop and the house is some way away. The workshop is steel walls, and my Wi-Fi doesn't reach this far, so I've got to go and buy some boosters for the Wi-Fi and get that all hooked up. So that's our new addition to our little lab here. And I think I'm actually going to remove this one from here and put that one down this end, because all my power points are down this end and I've got none up that end. The only thing I modded with this was, I don't know why we came up with it, they decided to put the spool holder in the back of the machine, and that just was not going to work for me. So I've just bolted the spool holder to the bench here, and it's just so easy to feed up into the tube, and away she goes. But yeah, looks a bit rough and scratchy because I haven't peeled the plastic off yet. I'm going to leave it on there, and in a couple of years I might pull it off and it's all brand new again. But that's our new addition. Was bought specifically for this project, and the quality straight out of the box is just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I had to print the benchy, of course, that comes already loaded on the machine. 16 minutes and it turned out perfect. One of the grandkids has already got that, so that's the end of that benchy. that poor old girl over there takes about 52 minutes for a benchy. And yes, I've got crap everywhere at the moment, but that's our new machine up and running, making things a whole lot quicker. And now she's cranking up. Alright guys, just a quick little update video. So I'm just getting the hang of the machine at the moment. It looks like it's going to do what we want to do, so see how we go.